Hey folks, Internet Dude here. Hey, just back with a quick town car video. I just have kind of a tip for you. Since you saw my most recent video on the town car, I added this gold pinstripe. I think it looks pretty good. I hadn't done pinstriping before, but turned out okay. But I wanted to show you this tip because in my video introducing this car, I talked about and showed you some discoloration on this trim. So it's this chrome trim around the door. Hard to see there, but probably easier to see here. And I think it was car wash chemicals that caused that. I don't know for sure, but there's definite discoloration on the chrome trim. And I found this product, and I thought, well, I'll give it a shot. Here, let me show you the product. It's called Barkeeper's Friend, and it's the soft cleaner, and it says it's good for stainless steel, porcelain, copper, tile, ceramic, bunch of things. And so what I did was I followed the instructions, but this area here, you can see where I cleaned it, looks very, very good. And then over here, where I haven't done, you can see a lot of that staining again. So far it seems to be working. They have a few products. One of them was kind of a harder version of this stuff, and I thought I want to try the soft cleaner version, which I think will be easier on this finish, because I don't know exactly what this finish is. And when I was looking at potential products, I wanted something that I could use for all kinds of other things if this didn't work for this purpose. So I'm gonna keep going and we'll come back, but as you can see so far it's been working good. It really brightened it up too. It brightened up that chrome work. So let me just finish this section up and we'll come back and take a look. All right, so I did pass with the cleaner. If you look closely, you can still see some staining on there. And again, from about here over is what I did previously. There's a little mark on there, but definitely made a big difference, especially on this back piece. A little less so here. And on this glossy area, you can see there was some more of that kind of staining, and I just did this patch here, and you can see that looks excellent. I'm actually going to go and give it one more treatment across here, and we'll come back and wrap up at that point, because there's just a little bit left, and I think that will probably go away because it seemed to do a better job back there. So let me do one more here real quick. All right, well, I gave it another treatment on this door, so you can take a close look now. And you can see that's virtually all gone. So I am happy with that. And then I came across this black trim and I did all of it. And if you look, that looks fantastic. So I'm glad I decided to just try something different. This is something I can also use. Look at that porcelain. I can use this to clean my toilet now. It's a pretty versatile product. And it was cheap. I think there's just $4 for this whole thing. So, you know, don't be afraid to try different products on your car. You know, there's big money in the auto detailing space, and you know, I easily could have bought a more expensive product that, you know, claimed to do one thing, and this does a whole bunch of things, and it's really just a household cleaner. But that worked. I'm just gonna keep going and do this other little bit of trim, and I'm impressed. If you like this quick tip, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and thanks for watching.